DEEBOT T20 OMNI from Ecovacs. Like no one else. Hot water mop washing effectively dissolves oily stains with high temperature. Osmo Turbo 2.0 rotating mopping, scrubbing away coffee stains even after 72 hours. The unrivaled auto lift mopping makes DEEBOT accommodate different carpets, and the ultra-strong suction power of 6,000 Pa substantially enhances cleanliness. True Mapping provides precise spatial detection. True Detect 3D makes DEEBOT avoid obstacles strategically, and the dust bag holds up to 75 days of dirt. DEEBOT T20 OMNI, like no one else.